What's up YouTube, and welcome to Desi Dad Reviews. In today's video, I'll be going over this, the NoseFrida. So, let's get started. Welcome to allergy season. Yep, that's right, allergy season. It's the season where you have sneezing, coughing, runny nose, drippy nose, and a whole other mess of symptoms that you or your child might suffer and go through. Now, it's a really frustrating time, a really miserable time, especially for new parents because they don't know how to make their child feel better. Trust me, I know, I'm there with you. That's where NoseFrida comes in. So NoseFrida is a product designed to help you clear your child's nose and their sinuses and pull all of that mucus and other gunk that's stuffed up there right out. But before we get into the product and how to use it, let's take a closer look at what you get. When you first purchase a NoseFrida, what you'll find in the box is a pre-assembled product, just like this one. Overall, the build quality is really good. It's entirely made of plastic, and none of the parts that I encountered were faulty in any way. There were no sharp edges or anything that was of concern to me when I first opened the box up. So let's start with this end. First up is the mouthpiece. This is what you'll be putting into your mouth to start sucking all that mucus out. I like the fact that it's ridged because that gives you a nice traction when holding the product in your mouth. I also like that it's ovular in shape because that is just a more comfortable feel. This extra long pipe gives you a bit of separation so you can easily maneuver the product around. It's extremely flexible, which is perfect because, let's face it, babies don't sit still. The cap is on the other end of the pipe where an air filter goes. And finally, the reservoir, where all the mucus will collect and what you'll be using to get all that bad stuff out of your child's nose. I particularly like the fact that it's clear so you can actually see the product is working. Using this product is straightforward. You use the mouthpiece, and the open tip of the reservoir will slightly go into your child's nose. And then you inhale as hard as you can. I mean, like, really suck, give it everything you've got. You're gonna need a strong pair of lungs for this product. The best analogy I can come up with is trying to suck really thick, soft-serve ice cream through a coffee straw. So yes, it's pretty difficult. But I do have a few tips for you to make using this product a little bit easier. The first tip I have for you has to do with how you use the product itself. So the manufacturer and other top reviews will always say to create a nice tight seal in order to draw that mucus out. But I disagree. I have a little bit of a different method and I think it's worked so far, so I'd like to share it with you. What I recommend you do is leave a small little air gap between the nostril and the tip of the reservoir. What that's going to do is going to create the airflow that you're looking for. Once you start hearing a sound that sounds similar to you slurping the last bit of soda inside a cup with a straw, a little bit of a gurgling, bubbling sound, that means you know that this is working. As soon as you hear that sound, then you create the tight seal instead of straight away. By doing this, you're already creating that airflow that you're looking for, and it'll help draw all of that mucus out of your child's nose. This second tip I have for you is the use of saline drops. So saline drops are no different than tears. If you think back to the last time you cried, you'll notice that as soon as you start crying, or even after you finish crying, your nose starts to get a little bit runny. And the reason is because tears actually break down the mucus inside the sinus cavity and help it flow more freely. Saline drops is exactly the same. There's no difference to it. So using saline will help you break down the mucus inside your child's nose and allow it to flow more freely. However, I recommend you follow the instructions on the bottle or your doctor's instructions before use, and if you find yourself using saline as a more frequent crutch to help you with this product, I think the best way to go about it is maybe increasing the humidity in the room that your child is spending the most time in. If the room is really dry or arid, it's going to be a little bit more difficult for this product to work. So increasing the humidity with something like a portable humidifier is going to be a great addition for you in helping you use this product. The third and final tip I have for you is to change the filter. I've read so many reviews that state that this product loses its effectiveness over a long period of time, but when asked if they change the filter, they always say no. So the biggest thing about this is change the filter. I mean, think about it. Everyone's got a heating and air conditioning system in their home, and you frequently change that filter. Why would you do that? The reason is all of that dirt, debris, and dust, everything that's going, it's passing through that filter, so that filter gets clogged. As that filter gets clogged, it's difficult for the machine to collect all of that air and redirect it through your home. This product is no different. In fact, you are actually the machine in this scenario. So if your filter is clogged, you're going to find it more difficult to suck that mucus out, and you'll find that suction power is going to drop. The best thing I recommend to do is change the filter on a regular basis. Now, the manufacturer recommends changing the filter after every use. I think that's a little bit of a stretch. You might not have to do it as frequently. What you can do is, if your child just has allergies or something like that, you notice the suction power dropping, change the filter. But if your child is sick, then I recommend changing the filter more frequently, as you don't want those germs to fester inside the filter itself. And the NoseFrida comes with 4 filters inside the packaging. One is already pre-installed into the product, and there are another 3 that you can use as you need to change the filter. So what is the recommended age group for this product, the NoseFrida? Well, the manufacturer states that you can use it anywhere between newborn and 9 years of age. Now, while they claim newborn is a possibility, personally I feel like waiting till about the 3-month mark is your best bet. The reason behind it is, as a newborn, the nostril is really small, and the tip of this product is a little bit bigger, so you're going to find it a little bit more difficult to try and use this product with the smaller nostril. As a child grows into 3 months of age, the nostril will be a little bit more pliant, and it will be a larger opening for you to use this product. Up until 3 months, I recommend sticking to the hospital suction bulb if you've got one. But if you feel really comfortable using this product and want to give it a go, it will work. Cleaning the product is also just as easy. They recommend cleaning it with warm soapy water, everything except the tube. So the tube, they actually recommend using isopropyl alcohol or rubbing alcohol. Now, I have read some reviews that recommend using the top rack of your dishwasher, but I felt that that might be degrading the materials and it might damage your product over a long period of time with extended washes. So I do recommend sticking with warm soapy water and hand washing it just like you'd wash anything else. This product retails for about $16 US. Now, if you can find a retailer's coupon or a manufacturer's coupon, that's great for those of you looking to get this on a slightly lower price point. But at $16 US, you're getting a great value. You're getting the whole product plus 3 additional filters, so you can definitely start using this as soon as you purchase it. I've linked the product in the description below in case you're interested in checking it out. Now, I do recommend this product, especially if you know anyone with a baby on the way, or if you yourself have a child between newborn and 9 years of age. This has been a quick review of the NoseFrida. I really hope this video has helped you, especially when it comes to shaping your decision about buying this product. If you want to watch more product reviews or anything by Desi Dad Reviews, that's me, check out what YouTube has recommended for you right here. And just so you don't miss the next video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button right here. But until next time, this is Desi Dad Reviews, signing out.